Dollar Swiss daily forecast December 13th, fxempire.com. The dollar Swiss pair skyrocketed through the 93 level on Monday as the risk off trade continues to be the norm. As you can see, this breakout is significant and in fact is a bit of a triangle, which could see us rising quite a bit over the relatively short period of time. The triangle does measure down to 86 and rise up to 93, and with this parameter gives us about a 700 pip target from 93, which is parity. It's a level we've been calling for quite some time, and we think that that will be what we see eventually. There is talk of a higher floor in the Euro Swiss by the Swiss National Bank, and this will affect all Swiss related pairs uniformly. When something like that happens, the value of the franc gets pushed down, and it should push this trade up. But think about the correlations between the dollar and the Swiss franc. The dollar is the safety trade du jour at the moment, and as long as there are serious risk in the marketplace, the markets do run to the dollar. They used to run to the franc, but with the Swiss National Bank acting against the appreciation of the franc, it makes sense that we will see this pair continue to grind higher. 95 will be resistance, and there is a lot of noise between here and there, but the writing's on the wall, and once 95 gives way, there really isn't a whole lot to stop us from going to parity. Until the EU gets its handles on the problem, Switzerland is going to be in trouble anyways. They do export a huge amount of their exports to the EU, somewhere in the order of 80% or so, and with their customer going broke and going into recession, if not worse, things cannot look good in Switzerland anyways. Having said that, we have a little bit of a perfect storm here, and the dollar Swiss does seem to be one of the most sensible and logical trades to the long side out there. Because of this, we are willing to buy on pullbacks as long as we're over 90, and quite frankly, we think the 92.50 level might be the bottom of what we are starting as a new support level.